If you are done with rushed cookie-cutter trips, where you saw everything but come back unfulfilled, you will like the new travel trends for 2026. Hi, my name is Gabriella. I am your international travel advisor at Now or Never Travel. This year, travelers are leaving behind rushed itineraries and choosing experiences and intentional and fulfilled trips. Slow travel is a major shift we are seeing in 2026, where travelers are spending more time certain places. This allows them to truly experience one destination. It can mean that they hire a local guide in Medellín, Colombia to take them around, or they take a cooking class in a local farmhouse in Puglia, Italy. Sustainable travel is becoming more popular as well. Travelers are taking, for example, trains around Europe instead of renting a car, or they are staying in local small hotels instead of staying at a big resort. These are exactly the kind of trips I like to curate to my clients. Journeys filled with unique experiences and memories, which brings you home fulfilled and inspired and ready for your next trip. If this is how you want to travel next, follow along and reach out when you are ready to talk about your next meaningful journey.